I love this exercise for two reasons. Number one, it's a great shoulder flexibility exercise. And number two, it is a great shoulder blade strengthening exercise. All you need is a wall and a pillow or a towel roll. So watch this. You take that pillow or towel roll, you put it against the wall, you put your head against the wall, and your hands are going to be on the wall about shoulder height, and you are going to slide one arm up as high as you can. You're going to slide the other arm as high as you can. You want to be very intentional with this motion. And then you are going to slide both hands up. Now that's the flexibility component. And here comes the strengthening component. You are going to lift that arm up, slide it up. You're going to slide the other one up. And then you're going to lift one hand 2 inches off the wall, then the other hand 2 inches off the wall, and then both hands 2 inches off the wall. Now, when you do this, you're going to definitely feel it in between those shoulder blades, and you'll notice that I'm trying to intentionally squeeze those shoulder blades together when I bring my hands off the wall. Then slide it down, and that is the exercise.